make this amazing syringe generator in just 15 minutes. You require a sterilized brand new syringe, two very strong neodymium magnets, LED, and lots of copper wire. First, remove the needle part of the syringe, which you are not going to need. Then remove the plunger and remove the rubber piston. Then take two very strong magnets which are loose fit in the barrel of the syringe, and then put the rubber piston in place as a end cap. The magnets can move freely inside the barrel. Now on top of the plastic barrel of the syringe, wind 500 turns of insulated copper wire, very thin copper wire, almost 500 turns. This is the part which is going to take the maximum time. Now take the two ends of this insulated copper wire and remove the insulation from both these ends and attach these copper wire ends to the two leads of a LED. This is because the LED draws very little current. Now your project is almost over. You can see the whole thing in perspective. Now if you hold the syringe in one hand and move it sideways, you would find that the LED lights up. Both the magnets run, move, and they create a moving magnetic field. Lines of forces are cut and a small current is generated, which is just enough to light the LED.